Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about Leetcode question number 3258. Count substrings that satisfy K constraint 1. You are given a binary string S and an integer K. A binary string satisfy the K constraint if either of the following condition holds. Okay. So binary string only contains what? Zeros and ones, right? The number of zeros in the string is at most k, or the number of ones in the string is at most k. Okay. Return an integer denoting the number of substring of s that satisfy the k constraint. So they are given what are the conditions satisfy to be a k constraint, and they are asking the k constraint satisfying substrings count. Okay, so just see this example 1 0 1 0 1, and they have given k value as what? 1. So it denotes what? It denotes either 1 or 0. Okay, it occurs one time, it is allowed. 1 or less than, it is allowed. If it occurs greater than 1, if 1 count and 0 count is greater than 1, both count is greater than 1, then only that didn't satisfy, right? So see here 1 0 1 0. Here how many zeros and how many ones are there? Two zeros and two ones are there, so it doesn't satisfy the condition. Okay, either zeros count should be less than 1, or you can have one's count is less than 1, otherwise both count also less than 1, but you cannot have both counts greater than 1. Okay, that will dissatisfy the k constraint string. Okay, fine. And 1 0 1 0 1, so this also not satisfied. 0 1 0 1, this is also not satisfied. So totally these three are not satisfied. Apart from that, all are satisfied, all substring are satisfied. Okay, what is my substring? Some of them don't know, right? So substring is like, let us take an example, abcba. Okay, here I can say abc is a substring, ca no cba is a substring, or bc is a substring, a alone is a substring, and b alone is a substring, like this. Okay, fine. So substring is a subset of a main string where it is in contiguous and also in order. You cannot have a substring like it is palindrome, right? So you cannot have a b a like this, because these two are eliminated, right? You cannot have like that, it is not contiguous. Now hope you understand what is mean by substring means, right? Okay, fine. Now these are the three substrings that are not satisfying this condition. Apart from that, all substring are satisfying the condition, so it will be what? 12. Okay, fine. And here also it is 25, and like this here also. So how to solve this question? Okay, let us take this as an example. So simple brute force solution, tell me the simple brute force solution, what it signifies? It signifies that generate all substring and check whether which substring satisfy our condition. Okay, and make our count to increment by 1. Simple. Yes. So what is the time constant? It will be O of n power 4 up to, and space constant will be O of 1. Okay, but this n power 4 is very huge, right? We cannot do as much as time, so we want to optimize. How to optimize it? Okay, fine. For this question, let me break down this problem into sub problems. Like, so this is the element, this is the substring. Okay, whether it is a it satisfies the condition of k constraint substring. No, because 0 and 1 count is what? 2. Can understand this? So it is not satisfying a condition. So let me take 0 1, sorry, 1 0 1. Okay, whether it is satisfied? Yes, because zeros count is 1, but 2's count is, sorry, zeros count is 1, but 1's count is 2, but it's satisfied, right? It's satisfied. So it's satisfying the k constraint and thus it is a k constraint substring. Okay, now from this what are all the substring I can generate which are k constraint? I can say 1 is a k constraint, I can say 0 alone is a k constraint, and Again, this one satisfy the condition. Yes. Again, 1 0 satisfy the condition. Then 0 1 satisfying the condition, and the whole string satisfying the condition. Right? So it is something like I have first 3, then this 2, then this 1. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. So what it signifies? It signifies that if a substring is a K-constraint, if a substring is a K-constraint, then all possible substring of that substring is also a K-constraint. Can you understand this? Okay, let me write here. If a substring is satisfying the condition, satisfies the condition, then all possible substring or all substring of this substring is also satisfied. So this is my conclusion. So from this I can say, if I have a substring count of 3 which satisfy the condition, then obviously what should I add? 3 plus 2 plus 1 which is equal to 6. If the substring count is 4, then what should I do? 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 which is equal to 10, like that. Okay, now let us go and understand how I am going to do this problem. Okay, let us take the previous example itself. K value is what? 1, right? So we can have at the most of 1 value, right? Here also the K value is, I'm taking as 1. That's why I'm taking what? It's satisfying the condition. It is not satisfying condition because both the values are having what? Having 2, right? In question itself we have given this example. The same example I am taking here also. Okay. Now let us solve this. Okay, fine. First of all, I am standing here, and let me take a 0 count and 1 count in a separate dictionary. So it is a constant space only, right? Because only 2 values are present here as 0 and 0. Now when I am standing here, okay, just notice here, I'm going to use a slightly sliding window technique, where here my left pointer and here my right pointer. Okay, now whereas my right pointer is pointing to 1. Okay, let me make this as 1. Okay, now understand this. Now what are these both counts? This both counts is less than or equal to K. Both counts are less than or equal to K. So it satisfies the condition. So I will add 1 to my result. Result initially 0. Now I am adding 1 to the result. Okay, now move R. Now it is what? 0. Increment make zeros count. Now also both the things is less than or equal to K. So don't worry. Just add what? Add 2 now. Why we are adding 2? You may ask. Because from 1 0, what are the possible values I can make? I can make 1 or 0 or 1 0. Yes. But this 1 is already counted here, right? It's already counted here. So it is plus 2 is equal to 3. Sorry. Here I want to do plus 2, right? So it will becomes what? 3. Now again I will move here. So it is what? Again 1. So increment the count of this to 2. Now whether this condition satisfied? Yes, because it is still remains 1. 0 remains what? Count of 1. So I will add what? I will add 3. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Can you understand this? Why I am adding that that value between this R and L, which means the window size R minus L plus 1. Why I am adding here? Because here we have seen a theory like, if a substring is satisfying the condition, then its substring is also satisfying the condition. That's why I am adding. Can you understand this? That's why I am adding. Now I will go here. Now comes the twist. 0 becomes what? 2 count. No, it dissatisfies the condition because K value is 1 and both the values are greater than 1, right? So I want to shrink. So just shrink. So L comes here, and now it becomes what? 1 only, right? So 1 becomes what? 1. Only 1 count. Okay. Now whether it satisfies the condition? Yes. What is the length? So it is 3, right? So add 3, it will become what? 9. Okay, now again move to here. Now 1, increment the 1 as 2. Yes, now it again dissatisfied the condition, so shrink it. While shrinking it, it becomes what? 1. Okay, now it satisfied the condition. Now what is it? What is the formula's answer? It will be 3. So add 3, so it becomes what? 12. Then move here. That's it. Can you understand this? So what is my answer? It will be 12. So output will be what? 12. See here. Hope you understand this. So the basic thing we want to know about this question is we want to find this relation. It is basically a mathematical question. In math tag, in Leetcode, many of the questions are related like this only. Okay, because just imagine if one condition satisfied for a set of string, then that condition is satisfied for all substring. Then we want to do like this. Okay, we want to add first 1, then 2, then 3 up to the condition satisfied. That's what we have seen here also. If I use the relationship, right? If it is 4, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 like that. Okay, fine. Let us see the code so that it will be more clear. Okay, just wait. Here, L and result is equal to 0. Now, dictionary, I am taking dictionary to track the count. Now, for R in range of ln of S, so I am iterating. Now, I am doing a +1 for it. For a respective character, and while this both are greater than k, then only I want to shrink it, right? Shrinking, that time I'm just shrinking it, so minus equal to 1 and L plus equal to 1. Now I am adding what? I am adding the window size. I already told you why we are adding the window size, because see here, this is one type of a problem in a sliding window. This is one type of a sliding window where we want to add a window size to the result. In another type, we want to add the left pointer to the result, but here we are adding the window size to the result, since when the window size is 1, it will be 1. When the window size is 2, we can generate up to 2. Can you understand this? Yes. When the window size is 3, we can generate 3 unique substrings like that. Okay, if you again go through the one, just take a string and just split what are the substrings, or what are the possible substrings in a maximum level, and again split them into a sub problem so that you can understand what I mean. Okay, fine. So that's what it is. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Now going back to the time complexity. What is the time complexity and space complexity? I can say time complexity will be O of n and space complexity will be O of 1. That's it. Thank you.